Amazon flips, that's what this short video is going to be about. So if you're selling on Amazon using the arbitrage model, or maybe that's what you want to learn about and you don't know what flips are about, or maybe you've heard of them and you want to learn a little bit more about them, stick around. We're going to get into that video right now. Okay, working class hustlers, thank you for spending a moment of your time with me today. I really appreciate it. My name is Horace, also known as La Machine, and if you want to continue to learn more about selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business model so that you can make that money, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every Thursday and Friday. That's when we upload videos, and also on Saturdays, that's where we go live. We have a lot of fun. You get to meet me and you can become part of the working class hustler family. So let's talk a little bit about what are Amazon flips. So on this channel, we talk about selling on Amazon using the arbitrage model. That's where you go out to retail stores or sites and you buy products retail, you turn around and you sell them right on Amazon. Amazon flips, here's the difference. With Amazon flips, you're buying the product on Amazon from Amazon. Again, from Amazon. You're going to buy from the Amazon website and Amazon will be the seller. You're not buying from third-party sellers in most cases. So you're going to buy that product from Amazon and then turn right around and sell it on Amazon. Now, in order to do that, you have to do a little research, because you have to figure out, okay, when is Amazon selling it at the lowest price? When do they go out of stock? And what happens to the price of that product when Amazon goes out of stock? So typically what you're going to be looking for, you're going to be looking for products that continue to go in and out of stock with Amazon. In other words, Amazon has it, then Amazon is out. Amazon has it, then they're out. And every time they have it, the price goes down. Every time they go out of stock, the price goes up. So we're going to talk a little bit more about that very quickly. Here, let me get my glasses on. And here's what we're going to do. Because there's two ways to do flips. You can do them manually. We don't want to do that. We're going to use the software that we often talk about, which is tactical arbitrage, to do Amazon flips. So let's cut over to tactical arbitrage real quick. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the pricing. We're going to come over to monthly, and not usually you end up getting this package right here, the online arbitrage package. But you can get what they call the flip pack over here. That'll give you Amazon flips, and as you can see, you can have library, always be scanning, inventory, and all of that. Or you can have what I have, which is the full suite. Incidentally, if you are looking to learn about Amazon arbitrage, what you're going to want to do before you sign up for any free trial, you're going to want to watch the lightning course that we created. So stay tuned to the end and you can actually learn more, because here's the deal. You see this 7-day free trial? If you sign up under me using the link below, you'll actually get an additional 10 days. But we want you to be ready for those 10 days so that when you get your 10-day free trial, you'll already know what to do. You're rocking and rolling and you're actually making the money so that the software is paying for itself before your free trial even runs out. You've made so much money. So make sure you do that. But that's how you get the Amazon flips. Now let's go inside. And what we're going to look at is, you see this dashboard, you got products, and here is your Amazon flips. And of course you got your reverse search, your wholesale, your library, whatever it is that you have in your package. But Amazon flips is right here. So let's go into real quick how to set up a flip, and then we're going to show some results of a search that I did. Okay, so you would come over here to Amazon flips. All right, you start there. Now you'll notice on flips, in your cache, it only goes either live 1 day, 2 day, or 3 days. I leave it set to 3. And by the way, I don't do a lot of flips, but we'll talk a little bit more about why you would want to do them. So what I would do is best sellers, and these are similar to regular searches. You know, you got your countries. You cannot use this software to say source from one Amazon, country and then flip on another. It's going to be USA to USA, UK to UK, Canada to Canada, like that. You can't cross countries on that. Okay. You can import bulk lists. You can import ASINs, stuff like that. And a lot of that is just similar to what you would normally do. But in this case, we're going to say you wanted to go grocery and gourmet. I love that. And it's just like any other search. You can go deeper. So you can go up to 100,000 ASINs at the top level of that. So if you just go all grocery and gourmet, that's what you're getting. Here's where things are a little bit different compared to a typical search. Let's open this up. Now, I have this set to 365 days. In other words, we're looking at the average buy box sale, the average Amazon price, the average third-party price, the lowest sale price. And you can either go by periods if you want specific dates. I just look at the last year. Then in this section, this is similar to what you're used to this. You can go current, 30 or 90. I always keep it to 90. I like to keep it around no ranks over, that's 5 million, but normally I would go 500,000 is where I would have that. And then this is similar. Remove if estimated sales is less than. You can go sellers. I don't like filtering down too low. Remove if Amazon has been in stock 80% of the time over the last year. That's important because when you're doing flips, you're looking for products where Amazon is in and out of stock a lot. If they've got the product in stock 80% of the time, you're not going to be able to really work with that unless you don't mind. For example, Amazon may have a lightning sale and then you get a lightning deal and you get it real cheap. Then you come back and you compete with Amazon at their regular price. Personally, I have no problem with that. If you guys follow me, I have no problem jumping right into the fray with Amazon, and they've always been fair to me. So, some people, that's their business model says, no, I do not compete with Amazon. Okay. Number of reviews, I don't deal with that because, like I said, I don't like filtering so narrow that I don't get good results. Here's one you might think about. Show if the average third-party sale price when Amazon is out of stock is at least 1.5 times the average Amazon sales price. This is exactly what you're looking for, guys. You're saying, hey, when Amazon is out of stock, the average other people, third-party other people, when Amazon is out of stock, most other people are selling the product for at least 1.5 times what Amazon normally sells at. That's what you're looking for because that's where you're going to make your margin. Okay. Show if any average sale price condition is at least 1.5 of the lowest sale price. Show if the current buy box sales price is 60% or lower than any average sales price. So if the current buy box price is over half lower than any average, you want to see that. Okay. And of course you want to analyze every variation because if you're dealing in clothing or something that comes in different flavors, whatever, you want to analyze all of that. And then you would go ahead and apply. And now we're going to show, give me 1 second here. Because what we're going to do is we're going to show some results on a search that I did. So here's what I want you to think about. Okay. 'Cause when you're, 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 when when you're looking at your results, what I like to do is scan the graph. Now, incidentally, this is not a keeper chart. This is a history chart that Tactical Arbitrage has out, and it's very good. These are not good setups. You're right away, before I even look at anything, I'm looking at the chart, and here's an example of what I want to see. I want to see, you see this tan area? This is whenever Amazon is in stock. I want to see Amazon going in and out of stock, in and out of stock, in and out of stock. Otherwise, it's not going to be a good flip. Now, a quick examination tells you there's not enough margin in this. Just all of these numbers are just too low. But look, watch when we go down. Look at in and out, in, out, in, out. And as you're going across, look at, you're looking at here and you're looking at here, because when you're in that tan area, here and here is where you're looking. Then when you go out, you're looking, okay? And you're just kind of understanding what's happening when Amazon goes out of stock. So the lowest it has been is $85.99. And so you're thinking, okay, when am I going to be able to get it at that price? Because if I can get it at $85.99 or somewhere down there, and I know there's been times where when Amazon is out of stock, it's been as much as 156. What I would do, I'd come over, go right to Amazon. Again, I take a look at the keeper chart, let that load, and so you can see, you're just kind of running across and seeing what is that price doing when Amazon is out of stock. And look at this, watch this. Amazon came back in stock, and look at where they went. They went up to 167. This is Amazon doing that. These are things that you want to take note of. Now, what you could do, you could go into your keeper chart and you could track that product, and you can tell it, hey, show me this product when Amazon has it. For example, you might want to get a notification if Amazon ever goes down to this price. They could do that very quickly and you don't even know. But if you take advantage and use your keeper chart to tell you, that's what this is all about. You have to understand, guys, when it comes to using Amazon flips, it's not sexy, it's not fast. You got to do a lot more research, and then you got to be on it. It's more about being notified and aware when something is available at a price, and then knowing, looking at over the history, that it's actually profit in there. But remember, I always talk about degrees of separation. A lot of people aren't going to do Amazon flips because they take longer. You got to put in more time, research. But guys, let me tell you, there are people killing it with flips. Now, you may try it, okay? Because we really need to do a video on how to do it manually before you go spending money using the software. That's up to you to figure out whether or not it's worth having in case you ever do want to need it. Because eventually what's going to happen is you're going to try it, and then you're either a flipping guy or you're not. I don't really do flips, but I thought it was necessary. It's something worthwhile. You need to know that is another model of sourcing. It's another way. And I tell you, you're going to separate yourself from a lot of people because they don't want to do it. They don't want to do the work. So let me show you another one real quick. Here's one that I might look at. Okay, sales rank is good. The lowest sales price was $38.33. Okay, the average new sales price, this is when Amazon is out of stock, is $65.76. Now I'd go in, I'd look, and of course you got to be able to sell this. I don't know if I could, but look at this. Look at this. Look at all the times Amazon has been out of stock. Look at Amazon was $44.99 and it just started climbing. Amazon came back in down $44.99 and then it went. Amazon came in, went back to $44.99 and then they went out and it just started climbing. This is one you would look at. Now, I don't know if I could sell Paw Patrol. So just for transparency, I'm giving you an example, and I don't even know if I would be. No, see, I wouldn't be able to sell that, but still, I wanted to show you exactly how flips work. The setup that you're looking for is the big thing, okay? So now what we're going to do, we're going to take a quick look at my account just to see what I'm doing, guys. We need to know how things are working with me. And then we're going to talk about a couple more points before we go into the next video, which most likely for you, if you don't know tactical arbitrage, would be the lightning course. So let's move over. So here's my Seller Central account, and here you can see what I've done today so far. You can see what I've done the last 7 days. You can see the last 15 days, and you can see for the last 30 days we've done 784 units sold, $15,600.40. If you wanted to, we could go in real quick and we could go year to date, apply that, and you can see where we are for the year. We could compare that to what we did for the entire year last year. We're doing okay. We're not making, I'm not the guy standing in front of them, the mansion with the Ferrari, and I got the Learjet and the boat. I don't have all of that. I'm just a regular working class hustler. As soon as we finish this, I gotta hurry up and run out of this house and go to work. Let's see. But no. And then if you come over to Inventory Lab, and incidentally, you can get a free trial down in the description for Inventory Lab. I love this because look at now. Let's go quarterly. We'll go third quarter. Now you can see what kind of money am I really making for the month. So I'm just around almost $3,000 in profit. And over here you can see in transaction fees what my expenses were, my selling fees. You see, you pay a lot of money in fees, guys. You got to factor that in, and it's only fair for you to know that because you got to know what to realistically expect if you're going to do this business. It's a lot of work, so you need to love to work. I love it, guys. That's why they call me La Machine, because I'm on it. But no, Amazon flips are really, really good in Q4 because Amazon starts really breaking out them sales. And you got to understand, Amazon is really going in and out of stock. That's when you can really kill it. So keep that in mind because fourth quarter is right around the corner. Okay, so yeah, so if you got any questions, put them in the remarks. Again, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this. Some people may not know about flips. You'll know if it's for you. A light bulb will go on. You'll get turned on. If you're gonna do arbitrage, you need to know about all the different ways. That way, you know what you're into and what you might want to try. So watch that next video and then go ahead and sign up for the 10-day free trial using the link below.